What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, a little something different. Today I'm going to be installing some kickers into my 5.3 Chevy. So let's go ahead and I just want to kind of give you a little walk around. And so when I bought this truck, it already had, as you can see, we have some long tube headers, heat wrapped, MSD wires. Now I did put this cold air intake. Rims came with it. I believe those are some Tahoe rims, 18th tires. Now the other thing that I added alongside this is I put a brand new transmission in it. Now the transmission that was in this truck was a 4L60 and I put a 4L65. Now there's no real difference when it comes to them. I believe it's like a 5-pinion Planet. Gears are a little different. When it comes to adding that transmission, it was pretty much just a direct swap. So here's a little before. Here we go. I'm gonna put it up to I'll just slowly go up and you can listen to it. Here's where my bass is at. And yeah, we'll slowly go up. So that's about where it's at. That's if you can fucking get it. So you just kind of unhook that, and then you can see the amp. It's a diamond amp. I think it's 1200. It's either 1000 or 1200, something like that. And then put that down. Here's my subs. I'll show you my subs. Give me a second. And then here's the subs. I got 3 of them. There's one over there too, all lined up. First thing you're gonna do is remove this panel. It's just clips in right here, right here, right here, right here. You pop it up, and it'll come up. Next, take the back off. It's that board right there. Just clips in again. All of it. It's all clips. Then you're gonna need to take off the panel where the speaker's at, and yeah, again, just clips. Everything just fucking cheap ass clips, and already fucking broke one. So
see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? And what we see ain't what it seems. What is girl? What is love? What is love? Girl, what we see ain't what it seems. What is girl? What is love?
got the old ones out. That's the old one. Shitty. And sounds like shit. And then here's the kicker. comparison. There we go. Pretty simple shit, man. It's just clips, 4 screws, and you can get to these, and then these unclip. So pretty simple to get these out. Now let's work on getting these bad boys in. Alright, so when you get to this step, you know this wire. And one easy Google search will show you the forum. So here we have so this is going to be the left side, so this is going to be the left rear speaker. The yellow is going to be a negative, and then the left rear speaker, the brown right here, so the yellow is negative and the brown is going to be positive. All right, so this is the wires that these are going to use, and bigger ones are positive, smaller ones are negative. An easy way to tell is bigger one's positive here, red is always positive, black is always negative. That's the smaller one, so that's how you tell on that. But I am gonna make these a little longer. I'm gonna cut these a little bit more. Alright, give myself a little extra room to work with. Now snip these off. The reason I can't show you is I ain't got a lot of space to work back here. It's a fucking little spot back here. So I'm gonna cut these and I'll be back. Magnet's gonna be trying to stick to the walls. Fucking piece of shit. Grab your. You can use the same exact one if you have these speakers. Grab this piece and hold it in there. Place it up against there. Slide it back in. Hopefully, maybe. Be harder. Okay. It's clipped in there. It's not gonna move. That wire's in there. That one's done. Okay, so we have the final one in. I'm just using the original brackets. They're glued onto the original speakers, so you don't have to rip those off. You can clean them up if you want to. I'm just gonna say fuck it and not do that. But yeah, other one's in, and let's go ahead and test them out and see if they work. I'm gonna play the same song from earlier. Alright, let's get it connected. Oh bitch. If it wants to fucking connect, this piece of shit. Alright, there we go. Let's restart the song. Alright, I feel this one bumping. That one's bumping too. So I got that one working. Let's see if my other one's still working. Alright, GS18 still working.
Rabbit jeans with the wings, yellow bone on my team, trafficking them, yeah, I mean. Face boots with the spikes, go to AZ on the flight, mail 100 overnight.
Shit, I say that's pretty loud. If I do say so myself. God damn. I think I wouldn't say that it's so much as louder as it is way clearer. I like the sound of them. They sound a lot clearer. Of course they're gonna be better than these pieces of shit. But yeah, that's how I put them in. So I'm done with that. Gonna get them all cleaned up. Gonna get all the other stuff cleaned up, and then I'll throw everything back together. But yeah, bro, it's that simple. So yeah, that was the first episode of the build, and we'll keep going, bro. We got a lot more to do with this truck, and I hope y'all stay tuned. That's probably the most simple thing that I'll probably do at all to this truck. I mean, some other simple stuff, new tires probably, or got some new tires coming in, new rims, not so soon, but I am gonna get some Cosmes on this joint. Yeah, but yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the build.